I'm starting to wonder if that signal we picked up was real or not. Have you seen even one gold bolt?
No, but we have found that.
Yeah, I'd rather have the bolts.
What was that? My friend was merely commenting on the small likelihood of your leading us to...
Did that tin pot just call us worthless? Show 'em, Jack! Show 'em what we're worth.
Now, I am sure there is a reasonable solution we can arrive at.
I think this is plenty reasonable. Let's settle this. Clank, we've got some work to do.
Going down!
Ready? Fight!
is here to destroy you. Puny creature, you fight like an infant blood fly.
Ratchet, you are doomed.
Mr. Zircon brings destruction. Mr. Zircon is here to destroy you. Mr. Zircon
Get ready
conducts a
to be
symphony of pain. Mr. Zircon is looking
Like it or not, you're going
Let's
down.
whip 'em, Jack. Nice.
Say hello to Mr. Zircon's little friend. Mr. Zircon conducts a symphony of pain. Okay, Mr. Zircon reloaded now.
Ratchet, you are doomed.
Victory!